In this video, I will show you how to convert ETH or Ethereum to BTC or Bitcoin on Binance. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on Binance, so the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Binance.com and log into your account. Next, what you want to do is come to the top where you've got these different options and click onto Markets. And then on the drop down box, you just want to go ahead and click Markets Overview. Now, what you want to do is come down to this menu here, and in these options at the top, you want to click onto Spot Markets. From here, underneath, you're going to have some different coins and currencies, and what you want to do is click onto Bitcoin, so BTC, and you should see at the top ETH/BTC. If you don't see this, just go ahead and type that into the search box here, and you'll see that's going to come up. So what you want to do is click onto that one. And that's going to take you across to a page that looks like this. Now, what you want to do from here is, if you look down at the bottom in the middle, what you want to do is come across to the right hand side where you will be selling Ethereum for Bitcoin. So what you want to do is just put the amount of Ethereum that you want to sell. I don't have any Ethereum myself, but as an example, I'm going to put 1. And underneath, you'll see the total amount of Bitcoin that we're going to get when we sell 1 Ethereum. So if you're happy to go ahead, just go ahead and click the red Sell Ethereum button underneath, and that's going to go ahead and swap your Ethereum for Bitcoin. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.